tornado emergency for Selma, Northcliffe, and New Braunfels. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for Comal County, northeastern Pear County, northern Guadalupe County, central Hayes County, extreme western Caldwell County, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a large and destructive tornado was located over Selma, or near Live Oak, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Selma, Northcliffe, and New Braunfels. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: law enforcement confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Selma, Bracken, and Schertz around 6:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Northcliffe around 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Magnolia Springs around 7:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. New Braunfels around 7:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Green around 7:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Hunter around 7:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include San Marcos, Martindale, Garden Ridge, Zorn, and Redwood. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 172 and 202. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.